And finally, even if you're not a hardcore MMA fan, you know Chuck Liddell. He's the scary-looking cat with the mohawk who pimps product, shows up on Entourage, ices dudes, and is the face of his sport. Or at least he was until he started making a habit of slamming his chin into the other guy's fist. Liddell has now lost 3 of his last 4 fights, and Saturday in UFC 88 was on the receiving end of a brutal one-punch special from Rashad Evans. Now, if you haven't seen this already, word to the wise, it is nasty, graphic content, parental guidance suggested. Some content may not be suitable for children. Roll it, Jeff Burke.
He's out, down. Rashad Evans has knocked out Chuck Liddell. Out cold. Unbelievable. Wow.
I seriously do not believe I just saw that. I mean, was that the former cover boy and superstar of MMA, or a drunken frat boy at a college pub hitting on the wrong dude's girl? I mean, that'd be like Eldrick shooting a snowman in a playoff hole at Augusta, or the Black Mamba going 1 for 19 in an elimination game. It's just not happening. And the most shocking part is that Liddell did not get choked out on the ground, didn't even run into a knee or a roundhouse kick. He got dropped by his own game. Straight punching is where Chuck Liddell lives. He earned his rep by standing in front of the other guy and trading haymakers until the ref stepped in and pulled him off. But now he's hitting the canvas more than he's hitting his opponent. And even worse, there's now speculation that he's going to try to get all his cred back by fighting Anderson Silva. Yeah, either that or complete his fall from grace. Chuck, my man, you have been great. You have been to the top, but now you're just chasing, and you don't want any piece of the spider, and I don't want to roll any more clips of you getting your lights turned out.